Let's start with the topic journal. Before starting journal, a small recap that we can check that any increase in assets or any increase in the expenses or losses is always debited, and any decrease in the liabilities, capital and the revenue is always credited, and for decrease it has to be vice versa. As we go on to do the entries, we will be more familiar with this formula. So let's pass the first entry, the first journal entry. Here the date should be mentioned. Okay. Started business with cash rupees 1 lakh and stock rupees 50,000. Now first find out that which accounts are being affected. It is the cash which is coming in, it is the stock which is coming in, and it is the capital which is coming in form of cash and stock. So three accounts here are being affected. So cash is increasing, cash is in asset, stock is increasing, stock is in asset. So when asset is increasing, we have to debit it. So debit the cash account debit for rupees 1 lakh. Stock account again debit rupees 50,000, as stock is an asset and it is increasing into our business. 2 capital. Why 2 capital? When we write here 2, this means we are crediting something. So capital is increasing, and now check, when capital is increasing, it is credit balance. So we are crediting the capital here with 1 lakh plus 50,000, that is 1 lakh 50,000. Here you can write the narration in brackets. Started business with cash and capital. Now our second entry. Paid salary rupees 5,000 and rent rupees 2,000. Now what is salary and rent? What is the nature of this account? Salary, rent. These are expenses. These are expenses to our business. And let's check the rule for expenses. Expenses have increased for the business. So for all the expenses that increase, we have to have a debit balance. Expenses increase, show a debit balance. So debit salary account debit with 5,000 rupees. Rent account debit with 2,000 rupees. Now what is going out of the business? It is the cash which is going out of the business. So see, cash is an asset, and when cash is decreasing, and asset when decreases, you have to credit that asset. An asset when decreases, you have to credit that asset. So we have to credit the cash account. Salary account debit, rent account debit to cash account. To cash account, 5 plus 2, 7,000. Write in brackets the narration, being salary and rent paid in cash.